Here is the 1947 Cadillac Series 62 convertible. Beautifully, beautifully restored. Paint job is just 10 miles deep. It is fantastic, beautiful throughout. Very high quality work. Wow. Beautifully done interior and leather and whipcord combination. Restored steering wheel, and look at that emblem, it's like brand new, and the dash is like new. Just wow. Fantastic. That grille chrome is just perfect. It is really just spectacularly done. The plating on this car is great. There's the emblem. Emblem looks new. Hubcap emblems are beautiful. Cadillac. This is a very, very nicely done car. Might be nicer ones, but not many. Take another look at the interior. It's all fresh, new looking in there. This is up. Here comes the sun. We get a little bit of sunlight on it. Wow. Spectacular. Can't say enough good things about this car. As is our custom, we are going to start the car and take it for a drive, and we're going to do that. Here's reverse. So when the car is shut off, the reverse also acts as a park. That's an early hydromatic thing. And we turn on the ignition. Car runs really nice. Charges. Wipers work vigorously. Nice. Let's see. Getting the horn. And we put it into drive. And be on our way. Works real nice, just like it's supposed to. We'll take one last walk around on the 47 Cadillac. A gorgeous, gorgeous car. Extremely high quality restoration. Beautifully done. Beautiful. Yes, indeed. Get that emblem there. That is great. Full CCCA classic, ready for show or tour. Beautifully done. A fantastic car.